we arrive in a new destination, it takes us a couple days to just kind of get oriented. And every time we check into a hotel room, it's just like a free-for-all once the doors are open. Like the kids run in and just grab at everything they can reach.
I want a cracker. I want a cracker. I want a cracker.
Go put on your underwear right now. I'll give you a cracker after you have underwear and shorts on. For example, like garbage cans have to be put on counters. Any kind of decor has to be removed. There's always like soap and lotion and everything splayed out for you. It's like they just run in and open it and start pouring it on the ground. It's like chaos.
No hands in the bowl.
From Chattanooga to Atlanta, we lost an hour, so we're kind of in the habit of sleeping in again. This happened when we went to Chicago also. Today we woke up and just got ready fast and went straight to the Children's Museum because it's right down the street. And I'm glad we did because there was so much there to do.
That surprised me.
There was a big Rube Goldberg machine that they got to play with for a while. Then they did the kinetic sand. And
Mommy, look!
wow, she's like stumbling over to me like a drunk. Then they painted. They learned about mixing colors. Mabel definitely didn't get it, but I think Linden kind of got it.
I painted brown.
And they got to just make a huge mess painting. And I love that because I love it when they paint, but I don't really like to do it at home. We're staying right in the Times Square of Atlanta. It's called Centennial Olympic Park. It was just pouring down rain, but I think it stopped temporarily, so we're gonna walk around until we can't walk around anymore. In the middle of this park is the largest interactive splash pad in the country. It's Olympic rings. If it's going on right now, it looks like it is. We're gonna go splash in it. I mean, it's raining anyway, so we might as well just get even wetter.
Where are we going, Linden?
We're going to the park.
What are we going to do there?
We're gonna get all wet.
It's pretty loud. I don't know. I love loud music, but this is kind of like blown out loud. He yelled at me? Yeah, because I was doing something I wasn't allowed to do. I got in trouble. A policeman came out and yelled at me, and that upset Linden. And a cop on a bicycle wheeled out and yelled at me and said, "Not during the show, ma'am." I said, "What show?" And he said, "The water show." So he said, "When the music's playing, you don't go in the water."
I was scared.
You were scared?
Yeah.
Linden was afraid I was going to go to jail. But then the policeman came over and apologized later, so it was all good. It was okay. We thought we were going to hot Atlanta, where it was going to be so hot. I had my flip-flops and my short shorts out and everything. And then today I had to break into our bin to get my jacket and get Linden's rain boots. That is a spiral.
We're going to get some Indian food today. Yeah, we're going to get naan bread and some sauce. You can dip it.
Oh, yogurt. They have yogurt and cucumber sauce. We're really happy to be in Atlanta, a big city that has all sorts of different yummy ethnic food because we've been having southern food a lot. That was definitely advanced parenting. We went to a little hole-in-the-wall Indian restaurant with like 5 tables or something in there. We just descended upon the place with our giant triple stroller, a bunch of rice, a bunch of naan. The only one that really spilled anything was me. We all just had a super scrumptious Indian dinner in downtown Atlanta. Advanced parenting. Olive really likes this music. She just started wiggling. the age where you don't even have to pay for the games for them to enjoy them. Free entertainment. Oh, yeah! I made it in there. Did you see it? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you did it. You could do it again. Okay. Olive had a major developmental leap today, and she started crawling. Olive's crawling over to Linden and Maple and grabbing their toys, and then crawling away. So the whole dynamic in our household, in our hotel hold, our whole dynamic has changed. And she gets so gleeful when she's standing, she just like giggles. See? She's like so psyched to stand. Is that fun? Before we know it, she's just gonna be walking around. Olive's babydom is basically over. She's now a big baby. You're gonna be a toddler so soon, and you were just a baby for so short. Why does it go by so fast? It's like painful. I just want to always have a baby. I don't want to have like 8 babies, but I want to always have one that's a baby.